Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm Alexandros from the Island of Cyprus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will be learning how to do in this video the regular from up down wave and from down up. Now this will be a great opportunity not just to dance with a partner but to improve your own styling as well. Have a look at this video and then we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there it was without music and you can see it slow how it evolves, and have a look with music. It was done in the previous videos that I uploaded, which was a bachata move which has that body wave inside for 4 counts. We can do 2 counts, 6 counts, 8 counts is going a little bit too much. There will be a 3-part video series. The second one how to do the side wave, which is a little bit of my own invention signature move that I like, and I wanted to share with you. That's here, you can check it out on the on the info cards and in the description. And I'm also going to show how to do the wave with the hands. Okay, now just like any wave is not really a wave, what I'm trying to explain is that it's actually a series of photographs of 4 positions, and then once you get those 4 positions you can fuse one into the other, and slowly the move will descend upon you and you will have a beautiful wave. Now we have to learn first from up down, which is the easiest way, and then from down up, which is a little bit more difficult. But if you learn it with 4 picture moves, just like animation used to be, where they draw the character and then millimeter more down, and when you flip through the pages you could see them moving like they were flexible. So this is the same concept. Let's start learning it like so. Turn to the side, and the first thing you want to do is on your upper back, push it in. So that will make your chest go forward. Also your shoulders slightly back. This is picture number 1. Sorry for the background noise, guys. I don't have a microphone yet. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link here and at the end of the video and in the description with a one-time donation or a monthly subscription. Alright, I'll continue with the video. Now, once we have this and we push out, that's probably the second most difficult one to get it to be really exaggerated. Make sure you puff up your lungs as well so it's bigger movement. Now the second one is bending from the lower back. This is the first most difficult one because people have some difficulty with this one when I teach it. It's to protrude with the belly forward. Not to make it look like you're pregnant, but just a little bit forward. So if you had a wall in front of you, your mission would be to touch your chest first and then come back. Then touch your belly, then come back. So I bend first my upper part of my spine, then I bend the lower part of my spine. This is number 3 now picture, which is very easy, but it's also very funny. You keep everything straight, and from your butt cheeks, you push forward, you thrust forward. And it looks like somebody's bending you in the middle. That's picture number 3, okay? If you fuse these pictures together, 1, 2, 3, it starts becoming a wave, and to finish it, you sit down. Now a lady would sit down with one leg up, either the right or the left. For example, if you're dancing bachata, you will try most of the times have the right ready so you can go back to your basic. But if you're dancing anything solo, it really doesn't matter. For guys, you can have both feet down, or you can do as a lady up and up, but don't pump a lot of the butt backwards. Now, this video is not going to be longer than this because if you've learned how to do these 4 movements, 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, I know it's funny, then 4. Ladies, 4 and pump out the butt as well. Then fuse. When this one starts going back, the belly comes forward. When the belly starts going back, the hip comes forward. And when the hips start going back, the leg lifts up. And these 4, if you just keep on practicing them, they will fuse into a beautiful wave. The reverse is exactly reverse, what it's called. The 4 pictures that we've learned in the reverse manner. First you go and you thrust with your quadriceps quite powerfully into the thrust. So you already have the first picture. Now here's the second. Then into the belly. Now we have a nice bend here. and then this can come forward. Be careful when you come up. Don't exaggerate and hit like that unless you're doing in the rumba and you want to do an accent like that. That's a different story. So this is from from up, down, down, up. They use it often in the Afro rumba of different gods of orishas. So you can use it, of course, not in Latin only, in any dance imaginable. Because it's the body wave, it's a beautiful move. I hope you guys like this explanation. Don't put yourself in a cage where you have to learn it today. Just break down these 4 movements, find somewhere a wall or the edge of the door, and keep about 4 centimeters, I think that's an inch or 2 apart, and touch your chest, then your belly, then your hip, quadriceps, and sit down. If you do that correctly, you're also going to touch like that with the lady. Your whole body will start touching from up, down, and then you'll be able to have the reverse as well if you do it with the 4 pictures of animation. I hope that makes sense, guys. Thank you for watching. I really wanted to break down this one a lot because I've seen some of them out there showing the body wave in different ways, and I wanted to show it my own way. I hope this helps you. Give it patience, give it time. Don't be in a hurry, because anything good doesn't come in a day, and a body wave is really good to have in your vocabulary of dance movements. Once more, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you comment and rate. My name is Alexandros. I'm from the Island of Cyprus, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.